I'm Roy Robertson. Today on Good Business San Diego, we welcome back Brent Wilsey, the president of Wilsey Asset Management, recognized as a best-in-state wealth advisor by Forbes magazine and Shook Research, and headquartered right here in San Diego. Brent has been providing guidance to investors for decades and emphasizes the need to take emotion out of making financial decisions. That's what we're going to talk about today, Brent, is some questionable decisions, shall we say, that maybe are driven by emotion. Let's go through the list here. First one, a stock can't go any lower. People say, I should buy more now or buy right now. What do you say?
These are emotional things they say, and they just say, well, it's down 50%, so therefore it's not going to go any lower. I'm going to buy it now because now it's going to go back up. If you buy a stock at 100, it goes down 50%. To 50, you lost 50%. If the stock goes down to 25, you had the money to it, you lost another 50%. If it goes down to 12.50, this keeps happening and happening. Before you know it, your return is like 10%. Well, actually, your loss is like 90%. So don't get emotional about that. Don't buy it. Say it can't go any lower. It can go lower.
This is a guessing game without having the acumen really to know one from the other. It always comes back. People say, what do you say to that? It's kind of wishful thinking.
That's another one people want to feel like, well, yeah, it's down now, it's down now, but it's done this before, it comes back. You don't know that unless you look at the fundamentals. It could be a completely different story to where now they took on a ton of debt, new CEO. So don't ever say it always come back at, well, this time as well. Could be a whole different story behind the scenes.
Here's one that I love. This kind of defies logic. When it rebounds to what I've paid, then I'll sell.
You're right.
What?
Does not make any sense at all. And I always tell people, the market does not know what you paid for it. So people will say, well, when it goes back to what I paid for, I have this right now. I'm going to wait for that. No. Because it may never come back, or what you're going to invest in could do far better. So don't think just because you paid 20 for a stock and it's at 15, you should not wait till come back. Look at the fundamentals again and say, no, not going to come back. I should buy XYZ company. Okay,
so the motto at Wilsey Asset Management, as we know, is no emotions, just results. Here's a real emotional one. I own conservative stocks, never sell them. And it happens many times when people inherit stocks.
Yes. I bring up the name GE, Toys R Us. These were companies that went bankrupt. There's many more. Macy's went bankrupt. So just because it's conservative now does not mean it'll be conservative a year from now, 5 years, 10 years from now. The big one is inheritance. Many times people say, well, it was my grandmother's stock. You know, she loved it. She made money off it. That is different. That's when she bought it maybe 10, 20 years ago. It's not the same company. Don't think just because your parents or grandparents had it, you should hold on to it. They don't know the difference. You've got to do the right investment. They don't want you to lose the money. Do a better investment. Don't hang it just because you inherited that stock.
Yeah, you got to stay in the moment for sure. So finally, look at all the money I lost by not buying. I better buy now before the market goes any higher.
Again, another emotional thing. Another emotional thing, because you see it go up and up. Oh, it's going to keep on going and going. You've got to step back and say, wait a minute, back when it was at, we'll say $10, now it's at 20, it's doubled in price. But back then, maybe it was at $10 a share. Now it's at $20 a share. You're paying 10 times earnings. Now it's 20 times earnings. It's much more expensive based on what you're paying for that company. Again, understand the fundamentals. Don't get the emotional hype.
And this is what you do, is fundamental research. And then you bring that to clients in the form of a complimentary consultation. So we're going to invite people to come in, sit down with you, and learn how it is that you do the research that brings you to these conclusions, right?
Yeah, we spend about 40 minutes going over how we do things. People say, wow, you covered a lot of stuff, because we show them what we do behind the scenes.
Okay, great. So you can contact Brent by calling 858-546-4306, or you go to smartinvesting2000.com. Learn a little bit from the podcast, too. I've been listening to your podcast. It's good stuff. Again, 858-546-4306, smartinvesting2000.com. Get a complimentary consultation. Don't make some of these questionable moves. Get the guidance from the guy that's been doing it for about 40 years. That is Brent Wilsey at Wilsey Asset Management.